Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are going to do block A2 of the dishcloth quilt. If you want to know about the fabrics and see what the quilt's going to look like when it's done, you can watch the intro and block A1 video. So I'm going to start with this block here with the applique. And I was going to cut out some pieces. These are the leaves, that's the center of the flower, and put them on. And it was going to be very small. But I decided to use one of these flowers in here. And I think I might use the blue. They're very close to the same size. So I'll just put that in the center. And then we will sew block A and B together and then add C. Then we'll add D, E, F, and then G. And then I will put these together in a row, and I will add these to this block, and then it will be done. So it's very simple. So let me get this cut out, and then I'll see you at the sewing machine. Okay, what I've done is I took some heat and Bond Light, and I cut out a little square, and I ironed the bumpy side to the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, now I've got this cut out, and I've got some stabilizer, some tearaway stabilizer behind this so that it will hopefully stay flat as possible. I am going to try and use that monofilament thread, you know, the invisible fishing wire. I usually have trouble with it breaking, so we'll see how it works this time. I've got my stitch width on 1.8 for a zigzag stitch and the length at 0.80. So let's get this sewn on. That looks like the middle. I want to hold on to those tails. And I need to get my knee presser in. Okay. And you want to stay on the very edge of the outline. And when you've got a lot of curves, you just want to take your time. Just tear that away. Okay, here's our block. The pattern is actually supposed to be embroidered on, but I don't like to hand stitch, so that's why I do it this way. You can embroider any flower design you want on there, and it would make it very cute. So, and I've taken off the tearaway stabilizer. And so now we're going to start putting our pieces together. So it's kind of a log cabin type, this first part. And Just a minute, I need to change my thread back. Okay, I've got my thread changed back, my presser foot changed back. It changed on my computer. And let's start sewing. Okay, I'll need to press these before I sew the next piece because it's going to attach itself to the opened piece. Okay, we've got A and B, and now we are going to attach C. Press that open. Okay. Now we'll attach D. And I've been pressing away from the center. Okay, there's that part of the block. Now let's do that other strip that will attach to this side. Okay, now we're going to attach this side to this side with the longer piece up towards the top. And you'll notice these seams are not going to match. A lot of the seams in this quilt will be a little off, and that is intentional. Okay, let me get this pressed and we'll take a look at our block. Okay, there you have it. Block A2 is finished, and it will go right underneath block A1. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey for block A3.